Finding the correct exposure. When we talk about exposure, we're talking about the amount of light that hits the camera's sensor. We want rich details, vivid colors, and the perfect balance between the bright areas and the shadows. Depending on how the light enters the sensor, a photograph can turn out in different ways. Underexposed, where the picture is really dark and lacking details. Properly exposed, where the light of the picture is well balanced, capturing everything the photographer wants to show. Overexposed, the image is too bright, making it difficult to see details and causing image areas to break down. Proper exposure is controlled by three factors: aperture, shutter speed, and ISO sensitivity. How can you control these? It's easier than you think. Let's say you take a picture and it's underexposed. To fix this, you could use a slower shutter speed, allowing the camera's sensor to capture more light over time. Or you could increase the ISO sensitivity, so that your camera's sensor is more sensitive to the light it's capturing. Whether it's a low light situation or one featuring too much light, in this way you can adjust for it all.
GCF Global, creating opportunities for a better life.